Hello everybody, it's Boise Valley WX, and with nobody else this time, because this is my first unboxing video. Yeah, well, nobody else this time. This was more of a planned thing. Today I got a new weather radio. This is planned to come with a, True Joy, what the hell? Oh, it's a calendar thing. Like a magnet? I don't know. Today I received, I guess you can tell by the shape, a AlertWorks EAR-10. Let me take it out the box. This is a radio. It smells like timber. This thing came from Iowa, not Maine, so I don't know why it smells like that. This is one of the first radios that I've gotten in 2026. I believe, yeah, this is the first radio I've gotten in 2026. I'll have to verify that when I edit this. So, editing Boise Valley WX, verify that for me. Okay, thank you. So let's go straight to checking out the radio. It's got this stuff. CBB. This is a EAR-10. Let's check the battery compartment.
Who is responsible for this mess?
And then model number EAR-10. Antenna. Awesome. You gotta push all the buttons. So this. And that side of the ring doesn't have any buttons.
I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you?
Here? No? Alright. Off to plugging this thing in. Alright. This is the adapter. Goes in the back. It's got the AlertWorks. Oh, welcome. Sets up to WXK68. Don't know why it's doing that. Menu. Up. Speaker's quiet, but it's there, so it has a working tuner at least. Let's do the alert test real quick. So I'll select. God damn it. That's enough. Hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye. Boise Valley WX out.